Hey everyone, today I'm going to compare Fitbod and Gymverse. Fitbod is a strength training app that focuses on creating highly personalized workouts routines. It takes into account your fitness goals, previous exercise and frequency to generate optimized workouts. The app adapts in real time as you log your exercises, suggesting adjustment to ensure balanced muscle engagement and progression. Fitbod also includes detailed exercise instructions, sets, reps, and rest times, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced fielders. On the Play Store, users like Fitbod's personalized workouts, but some say the subscription is pricey and complain about limitations when logging exercises or setting max weights. Others appreciate that the developer listened to feedback and improved the app over time. On the other hand, Gymverse offers professionally designed workout plans curated by trainers, complete with step-by-step video guidance for each exercise. It tracks your progress, automatically adjusts routines based on performance, and provides additional features like timers, reminders, and performance analytics. Gymverse is especially helpful for those who prefer structured workouts without having to manually plan every session. Users praise Gymverse for its ease of use, customization options, and effectiveness in planning and tracking strength training. Many appreciate that it simplifies workouts, especially in crowded gyms, and saves times on planning. Some note issues with upgrades or tracking completed plans, but overall, users find it a valuable tool for reaching fitness goals. If we talk about their pricing, pros and cons, Fitbod costs around $12 to $16 per month. On the positive side, it offers personalized strength plan, a large exercise library, and progress tracking. On the downside, it has a limited free tier and AI suggestions are sometimes off. Gymverse costs about $19.99 per month. On the positive side, it provides flexible plan, video demos, and is good for beginners or home gyms. On the downside, it has a higher price, potential subscription or data issues, and a limited version. Overall, Fitbod is ideal for users seeking adaptive, customizable strength training that evolves with them, while Gymverse is perfect for those who want a clear, training curated programs with visual guidance and structured progression. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.